The Rockville DB15 is an affordable Class D monoblock amplifier that promises high power output at a low price. Marketed as capable of delivering up to 6,000 watts peak and 1,500 watts RMS, it's often bundled into budget car audio builds as a high-power solution. But behind the aggressive specs and flashy marketing are some serious flaws that buyers should be aware of before making the purchase. First, the power ratings are highly exaggerated. The advertised numbers are based on unrealistic conditions or are simply not achievable with typical car electrical systems. In real-world use, the DB15 delivers significantly less than the claimed 1,500 watts RMS, even when running at 1 ohm. Without a fully upgraded alternator, extra battery support, and proper wiring, you're unlikely to get anywhere close to the listed performance. Second, reliability is a major concern. Many users report issues with the amp going into protect mode frequently or failing altogether after just a few months of use. Overheating, blown output transistors, and internal board damage are common complaints. These problems often occur even when the amp is not being pushed to its limits, pointing to poor component quality and limited thermal protection. Third, the build quality feels inconsistent. While the DB15 has a solid metal housing and a decent layout on the surface, internal components such as the capacitors and MOSFETs are often lower grade. The terminals for speaker and power connections also feel flimsy, and screws can strip or loosen easily, increasing the risk of shorts or connection failures over time. Fourth, sound quality isn't refined. While it may power a subwoofer adequately at low to moderate volumes, distortion becomes noticeable when pushed. The bass can feel bloated or uneven, especially with demanding subwoofers that require clean power to perform properly. The amp lacks the clarity and control found in better-built competitors. Fifth, customer support and warranty service can be frustrating. Although Rockville offers a warranty, many users report difficulty getting replacements or support in a timely manner. Return shipping is often at the customer's expense, and delays in processing claims are common. In conclusion, while the Rockville DB15 may look like a budget powerhouse on paper, it falls short in real-world reliability, power delivery, and build consistency. For anyone serious about long-term system performance, it's worth spending a bit more on a proven, better-engineered amplifier.